So hello guys, welcome back with another video in electronic studio. So today in this video we are going to learn how to use the GSR sensor with the help of Arduino Uno board. So with this sensor it can measure the your body skin resistance and as well as with the stress level also it can measure. So I will tell about you whatever. So I will tell you how does it work and what are the things it can measure the GSR sensor. Each and everything we will learn in this video. So let's start. So if we open with this Arduino Uno ID, so if you can see here I written already one code here. This is small code here. So before starting I want to inform you guys, for more related to the projects you can check out this my GitHub repository. There I mentioned so many repositories are there, and for more videos you can check out this one YouTube link, and please subscribe to this one also. And one more thing also, I will provide in my description box, for video description box, there you can join the WhatsApp group. There we are doing a technical discussion. If you have any query there also you can ask for that, for your major project and minor project related you can discuss one community is there, so you can check this one. Now let's come to the topic. So here I'm going to use, this is a GSR A0. I defined with the GSR sensor with the A0 analog A0 pin, then one symbol whatever it is there, and it will read the data, whatever data will come in the serial. So like that only it will come. Now I will show how does the GSR sensor is working. If we're talking about the GSR sensor, so GSR stands for the galvanic skin response. It will detect, it will get the signals from your body like a resistance, and it will show you in the with the help of the some particular values in the serial monitor as well as the in the waveform also. And is a method of measuring the electrical conductance of the skin. Strong emotion can cause stimulation to your sympathetic nervous system, resulting more sweat, wings scattered by the sweat gland groove. Groove allows you to spot such strong emotion by simple attaching two electrodes to fingers on one hand. It is an interesting to create emotion related project like sleep quality monitor. So for this one formula is also there. Human resistance is equal to 1024 plus the 2 multiplied by serial port reading multiplied by 10,000 and divided by serial calibration minus serial port readings. So this formula also you can use for the human resistance if you want to use the human resistance. And for this one the unit is for the ohm and serial port reading. Then you can check this, it will value will print in the serial in between the 0 to 1000 and 200. Now you have to go to the tools. You have to select the board first, as I am selecting Arduino Uno. Then after that you have to go to the COM port, the 27 it is showing. Then you have to dump the code. Then after dumping the code you have to go to this in serial monitor. Like in the serial monitor you can check here how the data is coming. With this parallelly also you can, in my two fingers, one is the middle finger, one is the index finger, these two things you have to connect in our fingers only. And if you will see in the module, this is a one open IC is there, so it is reading the all parameters from your body. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for visit Electronics Studio. Before leaving, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.